The Peter Thiel-backed cryptocurrency exchange Bullish makes its public market debut on the New York Stock Exchange today. The company raising more than $1 billion in what's become a supersized offering with a market value north of $5 billion. CNBC.com crypto reporter Tanea McKeel joins us now with much more. Good morning.
Good morning, Frank. Yeah, so that $1 billion is up from the $990 million we were looking at yesterday. They are offering 30 million shares, pricing their IPO at $37 per share, and that is above the expected range of between $32 and $33 that we were looking at, which would give the company a total market value of $5.4 billion. And you can see that demand and investor appetite for this IPO really has grown, which is unsurprising if you've been following all of the regulatory developments and the price action in the crypto market. Originally, Bullish had marketed 20 million shares, 20.3 million shares at a much lower range beginning at $28 a share.
Okay, so it's kind of gotten boosted up a bit now at about $1.1 billion. I think the person really backing it, Peter Thiel, is a big part of this story. Obviously known from Palantir, PayPal Mafia, everything else going on.
And now the ETH Treasury Company.
Exactly. I mean, you just kind of keep going here. I'm curious, the Peter Thiel involvement, what does that exactly mean to investors? I mean, again, we just mentioned some of the companies that he's known for. Do investors see it being a big tailwind that he's back in the company? Because it doesn't seem like the world just needs another crypto exchange. There's so many already.
There's so many going public at the moment, too, even just in the last couple of months. You know, it is a big, flashy name. You know, he's PayPal Mafia. He's had a lot of successes. I think he's been pretty open in the past about the fact that he, while a lot of his portfolio companies are crypto-related, or several of them at least, he has said he kind of missed the boat on Bitcoin. So it is not surprising to see him kind of jump into a company like Bullish or Bitmine Immersion, the Bitcoin miner that has turned into an ETH Treasury company, chaired by Tom Lee, of course.
Yeah, we're talking to Tom Lee later in the show, so great shout out to lead us there.
And yeah, you're really seeing at this moment just a lot of companies kind of taking advantage of the regulatory tailwinds. We just saw the stablecoin bill, the Genius Act, signed into the first U.S. crypto law. Trump's White House has, of course, been very, very crypto-friendly, and so you're seeing all of these companies jump in. A couple of months ago, we saw eToro and Circle go public very successfully. The uplisting of Mike Novogratz's Galaxy Digital to the NASDAQ, and BitGo and Gemini, of course, have also confidentially filed.
I mean, that kind of speaks to my point. Like, there's no shortage of these crypto exchanges. Besides Peter Thiel's involvement, is there anything else that separates this company from some of the other exchanges out there?
You know, it is interesting. It is not fully operational in the U.S. right now. It's headquartered in the Cayman Islands. This is, the company's second attempt in the 4 years since its inception trying to go public. It's so different from a Coinbase. You know, it's very focused on institutions, whereas, Coinbase has, of course, a lot of institutional partnerships and offerings. Their exchange really is more retail focused. So this is an institutional exchange, sophisticated, if you want to use that word. It's really focused on marrying kind of decentralized finance with the security of a centralized exchange.
All right, IPO expected to go public later today.